Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Aishram Malayala. In this particular video, as you already seen in the thumbnail and as you already seen in the title, so I'm going to give you some strategies and some important points which you need to keep in your mind before you going to give the final session of JEE Mains 2021, that is August 2021 JEE Mains. Another 4 to 5 days left before you give your final attempt of JEE Mains 2021. So you guys, in these 4 to 5 days, this time is a very crucial, means very crucial. So where you need to focus on some things and you should leave some things. So regarding all those things I will be discussing in this particular video. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. Final attempt strategy. So as you all know, I am Aishram Malayala from NIT Warangal. So first and foremost, please don't take any pressure. Don't think like am I able to crack JEE? Will I able to get good score? So leave all those things. Just be cool and be confident enough about yourself and about your preparation which you did for the last 2.5 years. So what you can do is just keep it simple. Don't think that only just 4 to 5 days left. Just think, for example, even if you study 10 hours a day, so 40 to 50 hours is there. So just think like that. So like psychologically it will really help you. If you take pressure or if you take tension about the exam, what happens is whatever you learned till now will be erased from your mind. So please don't do that. And next comes to stop learning new things. So I think most of you already have completed the full syllabus. So even if you didn't complete, please don't try to learn new things in these final days. So try to learn the old things what you already know well or you already know little. So don't try to learn new things. If at all you try to learn, that will ruin your entire preparation which you done till now. And now, so this is about Unacademy Combat Test. So which from which you can win a 4 crore world scholarship from on 22nd August. That is tomorrow 11 AM you will be having a test. So you can also be on the topper board and grab the opportunity now. So there are chance to win like big rewards. So you can see on the left from rank 1 to 150, these are the scholarships. So you can use the link in the description and also use my code CharanYT. This test is totally a free test. This batch is started from 18th August for JEE Mains and Advanced 2023. These are the faculty on the right. If at all you or your friends or anyone in the family is interested to enroll in Unacademy, use the link in the description and subscribe now using my code CharanYT, for which you will be getting 10% extra discount. So I always suggest you guys to do smart work rather than hard work. So reason is, so you have very less time. Still, even though if you have very less time, starting from page number 0 to like 0, 1, 2, 3, like going in this way will not really help you and we will not cover much of the syllabus and you will also not cover whatever required for the exam. So example, like first chapter may be important, I mean you may expect a question or not, but like for example out of 20 chapters, 17th chapter you may get 3 questions. So when you start from first chapter, it will really take a lot of time to reach till 17th chapter. So if you can understand this, so you should start with 17th chapter first. So that is what I am saying, smart work rather than hard work. So I am not saying like you only should focus on important chapters, but you should first complete them, okay? Yeah, surely, like after saying this particular point, you will surely ask me for the important chapters for each and every subject. So now I will be showing you, take a screenshot of each and every subject which I am showing now. So don't ask me whether only if we study. I can say, I can assure 50 plus marks from each and every subject can be assured with the chapters I am going to show here. So please take a screenshot. So this is of mathematics and I will surely assure that 50 plus marks will be for sure. According to my analysis in previous papers, 50 plus marks can be expected from these chapters in mathematics. And here comes the physics, 50 plus marks can be expected from these chapters from physics. You can take a screenshot. And coming to chemistry, so these are the chapters from which you can expect 50 plus marks easily in the upcoming August attempt. So what I suggest you guys is, please try to first complete these chapters, then only focus on others. Revise formulas properly. So I have seen the papers of July attempt. So compared to previous attempts, this attempt paper, I mean July attempt paper, majority questions were solved easily using the formulas. Majority questions can be solved easily using the formulas. So if at all a student is good at formulas, so he can easily score 120 plus in the exam, I can openly say. So just of course, the way, like I am not directly saying just by like they will give mass and acceleration, they will ask you for. This is not the how the question will be framed, but the question will be framed in a different way where you need to understand. So understand that this particular formula will help me. So that is what I am saying, guys. Please do revise the formulas carefully. So if at all you are good at formulas, I can assure you, you will surely score very good marks compared to your previous sessions. And now comes to take 1 or 2 mock tests before exam. This is what I wanted to suggest in another 4 days. Just don't don't worry about the results you are getting from that mock test, but just try to adapt your mind to the exam situation. And one more important thing, while writing these mock tests, what you try to do is try to see first 3 questions, 1, 2, 3 questions, and after seeing the questions, whichever you feel easy, just may solve that. Then the medium one, then the hard one. So like that, first study the 3 questions, and then out of which you select the easy one and do that. So in this way, if you try to solve all the questions, what happens is, so your accuracy will be increased, and time time management will be increased, because you will not waste much of your time on same question. So try to see 3 questions at once, or 3 or 4 or 5, it's up to you. Try to practice this particular thing which I said. So that is why if you write mock test, 1 or 2 mock tests, you will be getting adapted to that particular thing, and in exam easily you will follow that. Because if you directly try to solve try to solve in this particular strategy in the exam, so that will really not help you. So like you will not able to adjust for that situation. So that is what I am saying. Before going to exam itself, try to take 1 or 2 mock tests and apply this strategy. Take 3 or 4 questions at once, see all the questions, choose the one which is easy and solve them, and then go for the next. So this is how you have to follow. So that is one of the best tip I can give. And be cool and be confident, and you can do it. And all the best for all of you guys who are going to give August attempt.